All right, so today we're gonna show you guys how to make some chicken street tacos, as I like to call them. So when we go on our cruises, we like to get tacos at some of the individual Mexican cities. And this is a recipe that I found that I thought would be pretty good to share with you guys. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and get some chicken thighs, and you wanna go ahead and dice them up so that they're kind of small, little bite-sized pieces, basically, is what you're shooting for. After you've got your chicken cut up, you want to go ahead and add all of your seasonings. So your seasonings for this are actually going to be chili powder, cayenne pepper, cumin, salt and pepper. We're using Himalayan pink salt for this video just because the sequence that you saw a little bit ago, it looked bigger or better with bigger flakes. And then also the most important ingredient is the Chipotle pepper and adobo sauce. All right, so once you've got all of your seasonings added to your chicken, and maybe you go ahead and put it in a bowl like this, what you wanna do is take your chipotle peppers out of the adobo sauce, put them on a cutting board, and just kind of mince them up so that they're nice and fine, and then you're gonna go ahead and add that to the chicken. You probably wanna use maybe 2 or 3, depending on how spicy you like it, or how much chicken you have.
So once you've added everything together, you're gonna give it a good stir like Zach's doing right now. And we're gonna get a wet paper towel, put it on top, stick it in the fridge, and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. But honestly, we found the longer you do it, the better it tastes. So it's been about 3 hours. We're gonna go ahead, get the chicken out of the fridge, give it another stir. We're gonna heat some oil in a pan, and then we're gonna get cooking.
All right, so we went ahead and we added the chicken into the pan here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook it on high heat, and we're just gonna kind of stir it around, keeping it moving and making sure that it doesn't brown too much. So we've been cooking the chicken now for probably 7 or 8 minutes. It's been on high heat the whole time. It's starting to look like it's getting close to being done. So the last step that we're gonna do with the chicken is we're just gonna add some lime juice. And so we're just gonna add a little bit of juice here. It's gonna start sizzling again. We're gonna let it cook for maybe another 2 minutes with the lime juice.
All right, so now that the chicken is ready, you can dress them up however you like. On the one we showed in the clip, Zach actually put cheese, onions, and cilantro in his. I prefer just lettuce and cheese. Neither of us care for tomatoes, but you can really dress them up with whatever you like. And Zach likes to make his hotter, so
I add a little bit of habanero sauce to it. But I think this whole meal is maybe missing one thing. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. We hope that you enjoy the recipe. If you did, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you're interested in our content. And we hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.